Apparently your perfect makeup look has to do with your zodiac sign. Can you guess what mine is? I am an Aries. Apparently this look suits me best. We're fiery, feisty, all the things, and I feel like this makeup look is actually fitting to that, so let's do it. Focus of this makeup look is really on the eyes, and then the skin is more natural. To keep my base really light, I'm starting with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I'm going to underpaint with a bronzer. This is the Too Faced bronzer stick. This bronzer is very pigmented, but since I'm underpainting, I wasn't shy with it. I'm obsessed with the Il Makiage foundation right now. To get lighter coverage, I'm going to apply it with a sponge, kind of just tapping around that bronzer, not going directly over it. I want to be extra bronzy for this look, so I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, and I'm just kind of merging the underpainting and the foundation together. This is the e.l.f. Camo Blush in Dusty Rose. I did a video on this showing it next to the Rare Beauty one because I heard it's a dupe, and it's amazing. This is probably one of my favorite drugstore blushes. Just adding a touch of this NARS concealer where I have some discoloration under my eyes right here. Before I do any powder, I'm just gonna add a few faux freckles to my nose with this Tarte with the faux freckle stamp. Now I'm just lightly gonna set that all into place with the Givenchy Prism Lead powder. This is the Say Pressed powder. This is translucent too. I know that this is ridiculous of me, but I am gonna go in with the third bronzer, and this is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And this will also be the base to my eyeshadow. Actually, before I do anything else, I'm gonna fill my brows because they are literally distracting me with how bad they look. Now we're tapping into this stunning Natasha Denona palette. I'm starting with shade R1 and just putting it all over the lid, and same for the lower lash line. I mixed together shades W1 and Y3. Basically, I'm just building the shades up, starting with lightest and dipping into the darker shades. And everything I'm doing to the top, I'm also adding to the lower lash line. Shade N1, we are going to focus this on the outer part of the eye. I'm going to tightline all around my waterline with this Persona chocolate liner. Now I'm switching to the Persona black liner, and I'm just going to flick out and make a wing. With shade N3 and a really detailed brush, I'm just kind of going around my lash line and stamping this brown shadow. I just curled my lashes, and now I'm adding some of my Gucci mascara. I'm going to use some of these Ardell Seamless Cluster Lashes, and I'm just going to place a couple of these on the outer part of the eye. I'm going to spray and add some glow. I'm going to use the Charlotte. I'm gonna use Flaunt from Rare Beauty. This is like a really pretty bronzy highlight. Just add this on the nose. So pick it up on my sponge and just put this on the high points of the cheek. For lips, I'm gonna start contouring with Rhode Lean. I'm going in with Rimmel Cappuccino. This is one of my all-time favorite drugstore liners. Now this Dior Rouge lipstick in shade 120. I'm being extra and adding some of this Armani lip gloss on top too. Alright you guys, here is the final look. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. I want to know what you guys think. Is this giving Aries?